Hey everybody, good morning. How are you? Tell me in the comment section how you are. I'm waiting. Awesome. So I'm having my breakfast right now and I'm gonna be headed to where I am freelancing right now. It is a bubble tea place. I'm working there as a social media person. Good bubble tea in Delhi is rare, right? So yeah, I'm gonna take you there and maybe you can drop by someday. Fun. Not bring COVID along, obviously. I'll show you what I'm wearing. Apart from that, Christmas is coming and I'm also going to be meeting somebody super special at the cafe. Yeah, let's get ready. My top here is from Sarojini 2019. My earrings are from the Square Knot by Agrima. And my pendant is from the brand called LGB Thrifty.
Long time ago, see? And now I'm lucky enough to be here with you.
Yeah, but what happens in between? Yeah, what else happened?
Well, it went pretty much like this.
I am here. I am at Gotti. This is the place that I'm working at as a social media manager. And what I like about this place is that A, they have bubble tea. Second, the team is super small, so I get to work like, intimate cheese karne ko milti hai, not like sexually, but like being a part of the team and shit. I'll show you what it looks like under se, and when we're comfortable enough in front of the camera, then we'll also meet the team. But not today.
The Dakar Queen herself, Josh.
Hello, namaste. How are you?
Oh my god, it's so pretty.
The audio quality might just wreck your brain, so this is a heads up. And I'm sorry, I will be better in the future, for real. I'm sorry. We are here at Gotti, and you're very obsessed with the Korean culture, right?
100%. I am obsessed with Korea, Korean men, Korean women, Korean food, Korean roads.
Roads?
Yeah, they're so broad and like well maintained.
Really?
Yeah, man.
Tell us a little about your obsession with Korea.
So guys, the pandemic struck and I saw it as the perfect opportunity to start binging K-dramas on Netflix. And that's where it all began. If you guys are into Korean culture, you can come to Gotti
yeah.
and try this authentic bubble tea.
Straight from Korea, not really because it's made fresh here, but the idea and everything is straight from Korea.
That's right. I know some Korean. Should I teach you some Korean?
Sure, yes.
So
I'm
when your
actually
boss
planning.
comes,
Yeah.
J 이름은 샬루 입니다. My name is Shalu. So 제 이름은
Che.
J.
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 Che. CHF?
Bitch, you butchered the shit out of it.
J. Irman. Chavi Imnida.
That's right. You got it.
He already knows my name though.
If you didn't know anything about chlorophyll, alright?
Yeah.
But you know how to read and write in English. So you can read a whole chapter about chlorophyll, how it's formed, what it does.
But I don't know
but
what
you
the
won't.
fuck you just said.
Yeah. That's me with Korean. 이거 진짜 맛있다.
Fuck off.
This is really tasty. That's the show it to your boss, okay? This is a perfectly
Say it
grammatical. 이거 진짜 맛있다. I like how our faces both just sweaty. Dude, this one is so good.
It is, right? You have
No kidding.
bubbles and strawberry chunks in it. Opinion on lip glosses. What do you feel about that?
Love them. Can't wear them though because my hair just goes like this for some weird reason.
And it
But-
sticks to your lips.
Yeah, man. But I love seeing it on other people.
I think I love seeing it on other people only like on like social media. Like I don't want to see it like. Well, if you're wearing it, I would be like, oh, hata do kya? You know, कि थोड़ा लगा हुआ है कुछ. But like if I
Yeah.
see it like on like photos and videos, I'll be like, that
Cute.
shit's kind of glossy. I like.
That actually, you're making a very interesting point because I never thought of it this way. But yeah, maybe if I saw someone wear lip gloss in real life, that would also be my first.
Yeah.
You wanna know a fun story?
Yeah.
When I was really small, there was this expired Fair and Lovely tube in my house. And me being the beauty queen I thought I was in my hair, I smeared it all over my face. I was like, what, 6 years old maybe? and then I got measles because of it. You know measles?
Like actual measles?
Yeah, and my face swole up this much, the size of a
As
pumpkin.
big as my ass. Okay, Shalu, you're very like famous on YouTube, right?
Yeah. No.
Let me ask you like 10 questions that will help. जो मेरे हिसाब से are good questions.
Okay.
These are questions that I personally feel कि like, oh, this will help me understand a person better.
Okay, makes sense.
If you could, would you have a water park or an amusement park? Like slides of it.
Slides. Because then it's not seasonal at all. Nobody goes to a water park in winter unless you're a psychopath. So amusement park, profit all year round.
If there wasn't like so much hype around colored lenses,
Yeah,
would you wear green or blue?
blue. Because
Why?
I just tried that filter on today morning and I think blue really suits me.
If you got a chance, would you stay here, fight COVID without having any pakka result like I'll get through this?
Yeah.
Or would you pay an extra amount and fuck off from here to like somewhere you won't get COVID?
I don't mind staying at home because I really barely step out, so I don't mind staying bundled up at home throughout the winter or the next whole year. If there's a sure shot option that you will get COVID, I would rather pay extra and get out of here with my family. How much are we paying?
Well, an amount that you can afford, अपना सब कुछ देके,
हाँ.
उससे 10% ज़्यादा.
No, I think I'll stay at home. We don't know, like, death can come you in any way. Maybe the plane you'll take will blow into flames, right? Or maybe the minute you land there, there'll be a fucking cyclone and you're dead. But I just feel like if you're cautious enough, there's a much slimmer chance you'll get it. कुछ controversial पूछो.
पूछूं?
नहीं.
Your fourth question.
डर लग रहा है मुझे.
If your parents got divorced, would you stay with your mom or with your dad if you
Mom.
had a choice?
I'm very close friends with my mom. So I don't think I can do without our daily gossiping and
Both the bond.
yes.
If you imagine we were friends, we were like tied up, like friends, like I sleep over with you, type of friends. Like we have like काफी regular sleepovers kind of friends. And somebody who I was dating was cheating on me and you got to know. There are two ways to tell me that. Either you murder that guy
You're getting too creative with your job.
or you stop talking to me and tell me 5 years later.
That makes no sense.
I know, choose one.
Why would I stop talking to you? What the hell? Wait, but then do I get caught if I murder him?
Depends on how you murder him.
Oh, really? Murder him. He'll never be found. What the fuck? Nobody's allowed to cheat on my friends. I will literally kill you.
If you had a chance,
Chance.
if you had a chance to kind of bring a fictional, well, one of these fictional to one of these two
You do.
Which one of these?
Santa Claus or Captain America, both Hindustan based.
I think Santa Claus, desi version of Santa Claus, because he'll be old and just a nice little grandpa kind of vibe. But Captain America, there is potential for the power and the fame to get to his head. And what if he joins BJP? And we're fucked tenfolds. So Santa Claus it is.
Like that's a very what if type. Like, what if he is not like a sellout and he goes ahead, actually helps people, you know, fight crimes and all that shit, and overthrows the whole system, and he's Captain India or whatever.
I feel like there's a lot at stake with him. You know,
There is.
things could go wrong. With Santa Claus, we have very less potential for things to go wrong. So I'd like to play it safe with them.
That's true. Good
You know?
decision. Yeah.
Money, money, money. Okay.
BTS.
I was not expecting you to know that. That's so cool. Options.
Did you want to get your nipples pierced? And you really want them, like, you know, to be pierced like real bad. But you can only get it done from like your mom.
Okay.
Will you get it done or not?
No. You stupid bitch. What is this question?
But you really want it. You really want to get like.
No, I'll tame my needs. I don't need it that bad. ऐसे धर्म संकट वाले क्वेश्चन पूछो.
If you were to get like a tattoo, अभी क्या हुई times? So would you get it on your face, or would you go for like a tramp stamp?
Tramp stamp.
Really? You can choose the tattoo that's on
I
your
don't know
face.
if I. Okay, you know what? I'll get it on my face. I've always wanted a mole here, like not a mole, but like a beauty mark, beauty spot. I don't know here because apparently that's a sign of sundarta.
Oh,
That's
no.
what I was told when I was growing up. So I don't mind getting one here.
So you are getting this opportunity to be on KBC, and there are two things that you can do. एक है कि you have to say something super offensive to Amitabh Bachchan, after which you'll get like a bungalow.
Okay.
Furnishing खुद करनी पड़ेगी, but you'll get like a bungalow.
Okay.
Other उस पे that you get to be on KBC and you don't get anything at all. Would you rather play like gentle KBC or be offensive to Amitabh Bachchan to get a bungalow for free?
I think I would play normally because
Fuck bro.
no, because the thing is, once you offend someone that famous, no, you can't live in that bungalow shanti se. There will be people not just on the internet but out in the open, ready to avenge.
कितना offensive सोच रहे हो तुम?
Why would you sleep with someone who's not Jaya Rekha and then not marry her and then break her heart and then cause her to?
That's not like super offensive. That's a general question, don't you think?
Dude, on KBC, can you imagine? Are you kidding me? What's your level of offensive? I wanna know. Or maybe I could ask him about his hair. He has hair transplant, right? He's actually bald.
So that's not offensive.
Dude, it's not offensive to us. On TV, to someone like him, it will come off as offensive. What offensive were you thinking? Like, what could you possibly ask? I'm curious now.
Hey, Buddha, I don't know, like, you know, stuff like that. Hey, the fuck, man, would you ever thought about changing a hairstyle, you little bitch? Something like that.
Am I a very safe playing kind of person? Are my answers saying that? But I did agree to murder someone.
Without anybody knowing, so that is safe. You get like an unlimited go or subscription of your favorite ramen, whatever. But for the first time, you have to finish the whole bowl with your ass.
With my ass? As I have to stuff it in?
Yeah.
How? My ass doesn't. I don't mind. I just need to figure out like an efficient way to shove it out. Turkey baster will work.
Turkey what?
Baster, there's this thing that they flush the turkey out with during Thanksgiving, so I can do that. I don't mind.
Oh my god.
I love ramen a lot, and that shit expensive. Okay, the import fees, I'm not having it. You know, Korea में वो 260 रुपए का होता है पैकेट.
Oh, what would
यहाँ
you
पे
do?
600 रुपए का
That's
बेचते
not
हैं.
the question, Charlie. The question is, how would you nikalo it later?
How do you usually take food out?
By pooping?
Yeah.
What if it comes out solid and then you... then
How
your
would
asshole
it
is
come out
burning?
solid if it's cooked?
Motherfucker. Digestion तो यहाँ होता है.
Abey, it won't go back up now. It'll just stay.
You do that?
I don't mind.
Damn whack, bro. I didn't expect that.
What would
I
you
thought you would say something like...
Shrimani, many could be. No bitch, free shit? Hell yeah. You know years worth of ramen?
You could also get down with years worth of anus problems.
I didn't think that far. Clearly. It's
But
okay.
I think it's a
Shoot
one-time
the
thing.
ramen up my ass. It's Ew. Oh god. Like, I have this really weird habit of imagining everything as soon as it's said. Oh god.
That was the point. If you want this hair color to be like your hair color, you can head to her video and shop for hair color from the links in her bio.
That's right. Should I shut it?
After a healthy amount of dog cuddling and bubble tea consuming, we headed out for lunch
We went to Cody's to get some ramen for ourselves, and if you want to watch how that went, then you can head to Shalu's channel and have fun.
우리 다시 돌아갈까 우리 돌아보지 말자 너는 많이 돌아왔나 우리 돌아오지 말자 핸드폰 속에 너와 나눴던 얘기들은 아직 남아 꿈만 속에 꿈이 아니겠지 꿈이었어도 나 헤어나오지 못했어 I don't wanna wake up just wanna back up 우리가 함께했던 것을 난 너무 슬퍼 눈을 가렸어 아무것도 보지 못하게 넌 아마 내가 오늘 미워둔 기억 속에서 나를 쳐